In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your search history on eBay. If you've been browsing a lot of listings and want a clean slate for privacy, decluttering, or to reset recommendations, this quick walkthrough will help you clear out what eBay remembers from your recent activity. Start by opening ebay.com in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to clean up so the changes apply everywhere you use eBay. At the top of the page, look toward the upper right for the My eBay menu. Move your mouse over My eBay to open the dropdown. You don't need to click yet, just hover. If the menu doesn't appear right away, pause for a second or move your pointer slightly until the list opens. From that menu, select Recently Viewed. This takes you to the page that shows items you've looked at recently. Think of it as your browsing trail on eBay. It can influence what eBay suggests to you and makes it easy to jump back to something you checked earlier. Clearing this page removes those item previews from your account's view of recent activity. It won't cancel purchases, change your watch list, or affect saved searches. This is just about wiping the visual history of things you've viewed. Once you're on the recently viewed page, look for the Clear All option. It's typically near the top of the list. Click Clear All to remove the entire set of recently viewed items in one go. If a confirmation message appears, confirm that you want to proceed. After a moment, the list should be empty, indicating your history has been cleared. This action simplifies your browsing page and can gradually refresh the types of suggestions you see, since eBay uses your recent views to personalize recommendations. If you don't see the Clear All option right away, try scrolling to the top of the list, refreshing the page, or briefly disabling any aggressive content blockers. Also, note that on smaller screens or in certain layouts, the button may appear in a slightly different spot, but it's still on the recently viewed page. That's all there is to it. Hover over My eBay, head into Recently Viewed, and use Clear All. You can repeat this anytime you want a fresh start. It's a simple habit that keeps your account tidy, protects a bit of your privacy if you share a device, and helps reset the browsing signals eBay uses behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner eBay experience.